welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, the tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back.
Welcome back. Give a stretch. Oh, okay. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. So yeah, I just finished watching the Yasin Bey live stream on Bandcamp. It was pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? Let me see something here. Hold on. I'm gonna post a link to it. So it's over, but I think you can still pay for it? Let me see something. Or maybe not. No, never mind. It totally went away. So yeah, I can watch it, I guess, since I bought it during the time it was live. I can watch it for like another 48 hours or something like that. And I picked up the album also. So it's a pretty dope. So I'm going to go to the thing here so you can check it out if you want. It's called Money Christmas. And I'm going to add it to the, it'll be next to the link, next to the recording of the video, it'll be a link next to it so you can check it out. All right, cool. So welcome to untilit.works, a thing I made mostly for myself to be able to work on projects that I've been meaning to work on because if I don't make time, I'll never find time. And by doing untilit.works gives me an excuse to be by the computer, to do these quick break sessions. So while I'm by the computer, I might as well work on some stuff. So yeah, that's the plan. So untilit.works consists of ciphers, and a cipher is a 3-hour block of time. Within each cipher, there are sessions. There's a work session and a break session. Work sessions are like 45 minutes, heads down, working on what you're working on, trying to make some progress. Break sessions are these where I'll pop up on the video to remind you to take a break, get up, walk around, drink some water, sit here and watch me talk about something I found interesting on the internet. Do whatever you do, but don't think about the thing you were just focusing on. Let your mind kind of have a chance to relax. What else? So yeah, so that's the break session. Now you'll notice a break session because, like I said, I'll pop up here with the video. If you ever come to the site and we're in the middle of a break session, the video may look like it's frozen, and that's because browsers don't allow for autoplay video with audio. And that's why I have the notice there saying you may need to click play to start the stream. All right, cool. And then below that, well, next to that, it says open closed caption. And if you click that, I'm using the speech recognition API that's built into Chrome browsers to turn my speech into text. So if you click that, oh, that's cool. I didn't. Oh, all right, nice. I just noticed that I forgot that I put like a little warning there saying that this is experimental. And so it may not be as accurate just in case if it says anything wild. All right. Yeah. So, oh, that's pretty good. All right. I'm mad distracted. So yeah. So yeah, closed caption. So if you open that, the space, hopefully what I'm saying will be transcribed accurately and placed in that space. All right, then there is a countdown timer. Well, don't worry about the two buttons, add a clip and create a highlight video. They're broken. There's a countdown timer, countdown when the next break session, when the break session ends and the work session starts. And then if you'd like to join the room to ask questions or chat, you can do that there with the join the room link. All right, cool. Now, work session looks something like this. And if you notice in the upper right-hand corner, if you check out subscribe, it has a list of all the upcoming ciphers you can subscribe to get notified when we go live. Over on the left-hand side, we have an audio player. So if you want some tunes while you're working on, you can do right there. Towards the center here, we have the to-do section where it says add a task. You type in the task, hit enter or the plus button. Where did the mouse go? Hold on. That's weird. The mouse went away. Hold on. Oh, that's weird. Mouse can't see it. Oh, whatever. But here towards the bottom, type in your task, hit enter or the plus button. It'll add to the list of messages. You can edit the task by clicking the text. You can delete it by clicking the X button, or if you want to mark it done, click the checkbox and I'll send it to the section called done. If you click that header, done, it'll show you all the things you got completed. If you click the Twitter icon, it'll open up Twitter and it'll pre-populate a tweet with all the things you got completed with like little check marks next to them. Kind of a nice way of being able to show that, hey, was productive, got some things done today. Over in the right column, we have another countdown timer, counting on when the next break session starts, and that's like 15 minutes after the hour. View tutorials. So I have links to certain resources. So let's say if you're brand new to web development and you're still trying to figure out whether or not you'd like to get into it, I have links to Free Code Camp and the Odin Project. And the last time I checked, they were all free. And I looked through the curriculum, and from what people have told me that has gone through those programs, if you finish those programs, I think at the end you'll have a good understanding of what it takes to do web development, and then from there you can make an educated decision on whether or not you want to spend more time and or money in pursuing web development. So those are there. I also have links to 3 tutorials. So if you're already into web development and you're looking for like a nice quick project that you can like follow some steps, have this project, maybe use that project to build on top of, or maybe get your creative juices going and be able to think of something else. There are links to tutorials on the Vonage developer platform. I'm a JavaScript developer advocate at Vonage, and part of my responsibilities are look over tutorials. So 3 tutorials I have. One is where you create this application. You're able to put in your phone number, your real world phone, into this input box, hit the call button, and your real world phone will ring. And I have one that's the opposite, where you get a virtual number, you link that to the application you create following that tutorial. You can call that virtual number from your real world phone and have it like redirect to that application you create, so you can pick it up there and have a conversation back and forth. Then there's one where 2 users like log into a application that you create following the tutorial, and one can call the other through the browser and have a conversation back and forth. Pretty dope, I think. All right, Hako will come back to show and tell sign up. If you want to come up here and talk about something you found interesting on the internet, feel free to do so. Show and tell sign up will walk you through that process. Now, Hako stands for help a coder / creator out. Is a thing I made that if you ever get stuck working on your project, you'll be able to create a Hako, which is like a room that you can then invite people to join. And then the hope is that together as a collective, you'll be able to get the solution or maybe the feedback on the thing that you're working on. So if you were to click view Hako, okay, there goes the mouse. It will show you all the different Hakos that have been created. You can click the username of the creator to open up Twitter or GitHub, depending on what they logged in with, to check out their profile, and then decide whether or not to like to request to join the room. I also have a filter by keyword list. So if you're looking for a specific keyword, maybe it's in the list, and you can narrow the choices down by that. Cool. All right. So then you click create a Hako. It presents you with a form that looks like this. Enter in the title, 3 keywords, hit create. It'll generate a unique URL that you can then copy, and or you can click to share to Twitter. When you join your Hako, it looks like this. You got the title at the top center, or on the right-hand side, you can leave by clicking the leave button. If you'd like to open the menu for some more options, we have a text chat here on the right-hand side. On the left side, we have a countdown timer, counting when the next break session happens. You can copy the URL again, and you can click to share to Twitter. When someone clicks your link, they don't automatically join your room. They're requesting to join your room. So they'll show up under pending. You can click their username to open up Twitter or GitHub, depending on what you're logged in with, to check out the profile to see whether or not you'd like to let them into your room, so you can approve or deny them. And if you do approve them and they turn out to be a terrible person, you can always ban them. Now, you as the owner of the Hako, only you can share your screen. And again, the reason for the Hako is for you to get help with the thing that you're working on. So I think by being able to share your screen and show others what you're seeing, you can provide a context that they will be able to have to get you the help or the feedback on the thing that you're working on. Now, the way you communicate with Hako is that we have a text chat. Put in your message here toward the bottom, hit send, it'll add it to the list of messages. You're also able to enable audio chat. So anybody who has an audio chat will be able to speak to and hear each other. But don't worry for the folks who don't have audio chat enabled, they'll still be able to follow along, because what people are saying will be turned into text and put into the text chat. They also have the opposite, where you enable text to speech. So if you're not looking at the text chat, you can still follow along because what messages put into the text chat will be read out aloud by your browser. All right. And then Again, you can check out all the different hot codes that have been created. And that's it. Cool. Now let me get y'all back to work because I got a lot of stuff I got to get done. I started my laundry, so one loads. I think that's done. Got to move that to the dryer, replace it with some more laundry, and so yada yada yada. And then this next break, I'm gonna try and get this account set up so I can start doing this AutoCAD, not really AutoCAD, but CAD program thing that I'm trying to learn. So I kind of want to get into the lessons for it. So, all right, cool. So hopefully you make some progress on whatever it is that you're working on. I'm gonna send you all off for some traveling music. Be back again 15 minutes after the hour. Till then, I wish you much productivity. This right here is Anthony Cruz, aka A Butter. The track's called Thank You. Thanks for hanging out, and see you in after the hour, 15 minutes after the hour. All right, y'all be easy. Peace.
I wanna say thank you for holding on when a brother was down and out. Now I feel so strong, and I wanna say thank you for being there when a brother had nowhere to turn to. You were there, and I feel like hell. And everybody says hell. We spread love like hell. I wanna say thank you for holding on when a brother was down and out. Now I feel so strong, and I wanna say thank you for being there